In this video, we will be showing you how to install the ventilation spaces and positioning for the OMS and MSD range. This unit requires 20 centimeters at the rear of the unit. The direction to install both spaces is the same. Match the 4 screw holes in the spacer bracket to the back of the fridge. Using an electric drill, drill and tighten the screws in place. Once the brackets are secured, you are now ready to maneuver the fridge to the designated space. For OMS models only, you will also need to install the air curtain directional glass panel. Carefully place the glass panel within the slot located at the front of the unit as shown in the video. This unit can't be positioned adjacent to a door or in the path of a breeze. Note that both the OMS and MSD models can only operate in a fully air-conditioned space with an ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius.